Okay, so once again, after promising comebacks one after another, I am here, and as you can see, it's the start of November, and I guess if anyone is still watching, they might be, tired of me hearing uh, complaining about stuff and like I have college exams, I have this, I have that, and all that kind of stuff. But to be really honest, it has been like that. And again, in between, I had to travel. It's the same things over and over again. So it's not like there is anything new. But yeah. So by the way, right now, what this is about is this CS50P, which is CS50 is Introduction to Programming with Python. By the way, CS50 is Harvard's flagship computer science course, and CS50X or whatever is the main one, and these are just the other intro ones. But I'm doing these first. I've already done with the Scratch. It's not really programming language, but it was really nice to have an intro and uh, in general course. And now I'm doing this Python one. I've already completed week 0 and this is week 1. I've already watched the videos and these are the problems. So first of all, this is the GitHub code space in which I'm doing my work. So basically it's like VS Code only, but it's hosted on cloud. So you can do, yeah, as you can see, it's the same environment and you can do all your work here. So that these 5 were the questions for like the 0th week, and now we'll be starting with the week 1, which is conditionals. By the way, this all might be seeming basic, but yeah, that's how we start. Okay, so let me just create directory. This mic is causing issues again. Why is it telling me to log in again? Have I been logged out? Uh, okay. Why there are two of them open now? But I don't know. It's always something like these things with because obviously it's set up on cloud. So mkdir sorry week 1 cd week 1 and what was it? Deep thought. So deep. Let me close this one. Cd deep and yeah. So we gotta make a file deep.py. Let me close all of these. Alright. Alright, cool. So what do we have to do? We have to implement a program that prompts the user for the answer to the great question of life, the universe and everything, outputting yes if the user inputs 42, otherwise is no. What is the answer to the great question of life, universe and everything? And is it related to random state 42? But yeah. Anyways, so question is equal to input. What is the answer of the great question? What was it? Answer to the great question of life. To the great question of life, the universe, and everything. Universe and everything. And now we have to check if question is equal to 42, then print yes, elif 42. Same thing. That should be good, I guess. Python deep py. Oh, I think we got a yeah. Cool. Uh, okay. Let me check it with this one. I mean, there are only 3 cases, right? Which we have already checked. Oh. Input of 42 yields output of yes. Expected yes, actual no. Okay. Hmm. So basically, uh, I don't know. This is kind of confusing because it's saying input of 42 yields of output. Yes. Ah, okay, okay. So I think they are saying this should be the case, but it is saying no. So I don't think we can check it like this. We have to. Uh, Maybe we can wrap this thing. What was it? Strip? Maybe? Dot lower also. Cool, let's try maybe. I don't know. Maybe this won't work and maybe this is not the ideal solution, but yeah. Okay. Uh yeah, basically it fixed the space thing, but this is not fixed yet. What should I do? If it contains 42, but how would we check that? What if I do this? Now it should be uh, taking up the white space, converting everything to lower. So it should only be either this or either this. Cool, yeah. So basically what we have done is checked for 42, this one with this space and this one with everything in lower and one space in between. So anything that gets passed, that will be said yes. Cool. Let me refresh these things and it will show me the result. While I think we can move on to the other one. Let me just wait and check first. Okay, it is submitted. And it is passed. Why isn't it showing up here though? Yeah, cool. Alrighty. One is done. Home Federal Savings Bank. Oh shit. That looks interesting.
Hey,
Hey.
wait a second. You didn't say hello.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. $100. I get
No,
$100, huh?
no, I said hello.
No, you said hey.
What? Hey is hello. Same thing.
No, the ad said that the bank's gonna pay $100 if you're not greeted with a hello.
You're taking that much too literally. Now, sir, do you have any business to transact?
No, I want to speak with the manager.
Well, he's not here right now.
Then I'll be back.
Well,
Yeah, I was in here the other day and I went up to that teller and he didn't say hello.
Well, you are entitled to $100. That's our policy.
Yeah, but he wouldn't give me the money.
Mm-hmm. Jim, can I see you for a second?
Yes, can you give me a minute?
Yeah. He'll, be right in.
What's this, oak?
I think it's pine.
Pine is good.
Yeah, pine's okay.
You wanted to see me?
Yeah. Jim, our man here says, came in the other day. You didn't say hello?
No, that's not true. I said hey. You know, like a friendly greeting. Hey.
Yeah, but that's not hello.
That's a tough one. You know what? Let me bring some other people in on this. Barbara, Jane, Mike, can I see it, please?
How you doing?
What's happening?
What's up? Can you excuse us for just 1 minute? Just 1 minute. Thanks. How's it going? Thanks everybody. Sir, have a seat. Well, we've discussed this. Here's the feeling. You got a greeting. It starts with an H. How's $20 sound?
I'll take it.
All right, sir.
Cool. That was, well, nice way to settle. So I think what we have to do is anyone who says greeting with H gives $20 maybe, and something like that. Yeah. So yeah, if it hello, then $0. If it starts with H, then 20. Otherwise, 100. And let me go to the terminal. Shit, what was it? Bank, yeah. Code bank. All right. So, greeting. Yeah, so it's greeting literally. Dot strip and dot lower again. Okay, so we have to check if greeting, again this is like it's string methods or something, and I don't know if this has you know Cool. Let me just check this thing first. Python bank. Okay. Cool. Now, how can we check for hey and hello? One thing is that we can write another if loop in which we can say if greetings at 0th place it does indeed start with H, then $20 are confirmed. But then we have to also check if it is hello. And let me. What am I writing, bro? How to check if a string contains a particular word in Python. Ah, yes, yes. Cool. If greeting of 0 is indeed H, then I mean, if we can check elif greeting it is indeed H, then we if hello in greeting print $0, you get nothing, sir. Else you get 100, no, sorry, $20. Cool. I think it's done. Let me just check with all the cases. Cool. Meanwhile, let me just go to another one. Even though Windows and Mac OS hides them, most files have file extension suffix that starts with a period, and JPEGs have this. Web browser rely on media types, MIME types, determine how to display that on web when you download a file from web server. HTTP header along with the file itself. Okay, okay. We have to that prompts the user for the name of the file and outputs the file media type if the file name ends any of these suffixes. Okay. These sounds like we can use that. Uh, what was it? Switch case, but I'm forgetting the. I think I had submitted this. Let me close this. So first of all, let me go outside. Switch case in Python. Match case, yeah. So we can say match. Extension. We just say string or say f name. Input. What are they taking? Yeah, file name. Match f name case and yeah. GIF, JPG, JPEG, PNG, PDF, TXT, zip. GIF NF name. Print image slash GIF. But what we have to output in those? Okay. Application. So first of all, we can just GIF, JPG, JPEG, PNG, JPG, JPG, JPEG, JPEG, PNG. And what was it? PDF. TXT and zip. What was it for the default? Okay. You don't have to write case here. Shit. Have I fucked up? Should I just stick to? Let me try though. Let's see what it. Let me just directly try this. Yeah, I think this is not. My bad, guys. थोड़ा sad हो गया. No, I don't think we can use elif, right? We have to check if it is any of them. But wait, we can use elif, right? Yeah. It should work. I don't think it will handle some complex case. Yeah. Why is it saying that? Happy.jpg should do Python extensions. Yeah. I'm not sure why is this failing. It is saying input of happy.jpg yields output of image.jpg. And why is that? I don't really understand. Okay, maybe it is checking. Oh, okay. I think they require this only. Now I think it should be fine. Yeah. How much time has it passed? 37 minutes. Fuck, bro. I think I've been taking too long. But anyways, let us move on to the fourth one, math interpreter. Oh, this is the first thing that will help us. Help us. I think it should be math only, right? Oh, okay, interpreter. My bad. Yeah. exp is equal to input and input is expression, then we just convert that now our conditions. If y is equal to plus then print x plus z. Elif uh, yeah, we just have to assume that if it is divided, then it won't be 0. Else, what was it? Is there any case for else? Let's just enter a valid math expression. Cool. Python interpreter. Oh, I did 1 plus 1, 11. Ah, shit, okay. Maybe we can just convert them to float. Yeah. Let's see if there are any edge cases that remain. And meanwhile, also check on these. Okay, those are fine. Let's see if this works fine. And okay, all the private cases also have passed. Oh god damn, there was 14 cases. Yes, I do. Now let me go and refresh again. Meanwhile, also look at the last problem. I just realized that I have been speaking quite uh, in a low voice. Cool, that is also passed. And okay, it should update, no issues. But yeah, suppose that you are in a country where it's customary to eat breakfast between 7 and 8, lunch between 12 13, dinner between 18 19. Wouldn't it be nice if you had a program that could tell you what to eat when? Okay. In meal.py, implement a program that prompts the user for a time and outputs whether it's breakfast time, lunch time, or dinner time. If it's not time for a meal, don't output anything at all. Assume that the user's input will be formatted as 24-hour time assume that each meal's time range is inclusive. Okay. Structure program as per below, wherein convert is a function that can be called by main, and it converts time a str 24-hour format to the corresponding number of hours as a float. For instance, given a time like 7:30, i.e. 7 hours 30 minutes, convert should return 7.5. Okay. So let me just. It was meal. Cool. Let me copy this structure now. Okay. So time is the input that we are getting. What time is it? Cool. So now we have to check breakfast, lunch, or dinner. First of all, it said 7 hour 30 minutes, it should return 7.5. Then what should it return for like 7 hour 20 minutes or something like that? Okay. Okay, this is kind of complicated. So I'm thinking what to do. So we have got an input in the format which is this time. Now we have passed that on to the time and we are calling the function convert on it. If time in 7, no, right? I was thinking like if 7 and 8 in time, then do this that. Okay. So I think I'm just going to leave this here for now. I will instead what do what instead I'll do is I'll just go and sleep for now, and come back to this problem tomorrow morning. uh, I don't know if I'll record this it, or maybe I'll watch the lecture, this loops one first, and then do that those problems, and do then yeah, basically do everything together, or maybe I'll do separate one. I don't know, but yeah, I think this one needs a little bit more searching and little more time. Let's see what the hint is. Okay, so it's telling us to but it will still not do the thing, which is like it will not convert it. If I just say something like if 7 in hours breakfast time, if 8 in hours breakfast time, and so on, maybe that will work. So if 7 and 8 in hours print breakfast time, breakfast time, dinner time. And same thing. Lunch. Cool. Let's see. Okay. Let me remove this. Yeah. It should be or, not and. But now the thing is, if I say shit, let me just fix that first. Yeah, that's the thing. So it will not handle the case like if 12 is in 7, 12 and 18 are in the hours, then it's obviously doesn't matter what the minutes are. But if 8, 13 and 19 are there, then obviously the minutes matter. So Okay. Let's see if it is indeed doing something or not. Yeah. So basically, they are expecting the convert thing to return the conversion. So yeah, that part I'll do tomorrow. Maybe I'll just do it off stream on my own and then move on to the loops and stuff. But yeah, that's it today. It was like what, almost an hour, but it is what it is. We have gotten somewhere at least and started again. I want to keep this momentum, and I'll try my best to not let go. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll just go and sleep because usually I do sleep by 11 these days. So, yeah, good night if you're watching, and if you're here again, and if you've watched till now, thank you so much. It means a lot that you are here whenever I upload, or at least you're here right now. So, yeah, that's it. Good night, or good day whenever you're watching, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.